And today we have an awesome RC car that we're going to be reviewing, and it is called the BEZGAR 10 scale IPX5 waterproof level RC monster truck. Check this guy out. It's got this huge 550 brush motor with a nice big heatsink on it. It's got this big powerful steering servo, has oil-filled shocks. It's got a tub style chassis that's extremely strong and durable. You have steel drive shafts. You have a steel drive shaft connecting the steel gears from the back all the way to the front. You have working headlights, and you even have the CV axles in the front are steel as well. On the side here is where your speed controller is, and this thing is nice. It's got, the shocks feel really good. They're not too springy, so there is plenty of oil in these. A lot of ready to runs come, they have a lot of air in them, and the shocks don't work that great. And you can tell it's built to be tough because you even have these secondary bumper back here that's going to flex but not break for those hard impacts. And even check out these deep dish wheels that you get on these huge air-filled tires. Very nice. Now you're also going to get the manual, your charger, a brick for the charger, which is uncommon, a tool set with a wheel wrench and a screwdriver. You get some extra wheel nuts, some extra bolts for the shocks, and some extra body clips. You're going to get 2 lithium batteries at 7.4 volts and a LiPo bag for safe charging. You want to put these in here when you're charging, and you get your protection plan. But you don't only get this nice green pickup truck body. As you can see, it's got a scoop on the front, Violent Monster. You get 2 of them. You get the yellow one as well. So you do get your choice of bodies, and you can switch them out as you please because you do get 2. And here's your remote control. It's got nice squishy foam on the wheel to help you maintain your grip while you're driving. And you even have your speed control, how fast or slow it goes, and your steering trim. So what we need to do is, we're going to put one of these batteries in here. We're going to put a GPS on this. We're going to see how fast it goes, and then we're going to see how tough it is, even jumping it off of the roof of my house. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. Check him out. He's got his body on. We got some painter's tape holding his GPS on the back. We're just going to leave it on long enough to do the speed run. And how nice is this guy right here? These rate of the runs that you're getting to buy these days are quite capable and pretty high quality. I mean, look at the size of those CV joints in the front with those steel gears. This thing could easily be upgraded to a brushless beast if you wanted to. Because you know, brush motors, they have more torque, but they're not as fast top end wise. And this is an extremely good starter to get you started in the world of RC, because like I said, this chassis, you can upgrade it to go as fast as you wanted it to go. So let's go ahead and do our speed run and see how fast this truck's going to be as soon as we turn it on. All right, get the old GPS out. Okay, we're going to select track mode and we're going to hit start. All right, so now we're testing. Let's do it. Whoa, look at that torque. And this is a 10 scale car. This is a big RC. Very easy to control, very stable. Four-wheel drive too, of course. I think we've already mentioned that. Let's see how fast we went. We're going to hit stop testing. Read 17 miles an hour. Not too shabby. Now we're going to test this thing out, see how it handles jumps. We're going to jump it off the roof to see how tough it is. And let's just have a general little bash session and check this guy out. Thing lands very nice, jumps quite high, handles the jumps, flies level, so it's very balanced. And just an awesome little RC truck. Look how well it handles this grass. We're chasing birds off for days. I didn't even know those birds were in the grass. But they know the violent monster is. Even this tall grass right here. Look how fast it goes. Lots of torque, lots of power, lots of grip. Let's go do the roof test. Okay, so here we are on this side of the house. See if we can just throw this up there. Oh, it's up there. All right, let's see how tough this truck is. Oh, what a hit. Everything looks okay. Yep, good to go. Very tough. Let's see if we can get full speed action going here. This thing jumps so well. I mean, it likes its wheels. That's a good property in an RC. And it just handles nicely in the air. I mean, it's extremely stable. This would be awesome for a first timer. And what's so amazing about it is the fact that it's completely upgradable. You could put a whole different electronics package in this and go 50 miles an hour, no problem. So it's great for somebody to buy and learn RC and how to drive. And then they could just start doing upgrades as they go and have an amazing, amazing RC. Check out these lights. So here it is, the little BEZGAR Violent Monster 10th scale RC. You get 2 batteries, a lot of torque, a lot of power, pulls wheelies in the grass, can jump off roofs no problem, and is just perfect for that beginner. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.